as salespeople, we know that to gather the right information, we need to be asking the right questions. But unfortunately, a lot of the time we're asking the wrong questions. Now, there's so many to go through, but there's one I'm going to focus on today, and it's a really good one, and it's going to help you overcome that challenge. You want to know who the decision maker is. So there's a guy sat in front of you and you ask the question, are you the decision maker? You want to get to the bottom of this, don't you? But have a think of how they feel when you're asking that type of question. They're going to feel uncomfortable about it. And that's the difference with a good salesperson and a great salesperson. You're understanding their feelings. So take on board that type of question. How would you feel if you're not the decision maker and there's someone in there that's trying to chase all the way up to the top and you're just this hurdle? How are they going to feel about that? How are you going to feel about that? So the way I ask this question, it goes round the back a little bit, but we get there in the end and everyone feels comfortable and you've actually gathered even more information. So instead of asking, are you a decision maker? I ask, what is the buying process? What is the decision process here? What is the structure? What have you done in the past when this decision process has been going on? They would then lay out to you those step-by-step processes, and majority of the time they would say, well, it comes to management where we would sign this off, or it goes to management and they would sign this off. You're one step closer, and then you can delve in a little more. You're not being too intrusive. You've asked the initial question, delve a little deeper. They're going to feel comfortable. You're really looking to know about their business. They're understanding that. And a lot of the time, they'll reveal this information to you. But you being direct, saying, are you the decision maker? It's not very nice, is it? Again, how do you feel being asked that question? So have a think about this. Maybe you've been using this in a meeting thinking you've been doing it the right way, and potentially it's been making a client feel uncomfortable and losing you those deals. Now, if you feel this has been of value, I'm trying to spread as much value as possible. If you think someone will benefit from it, please like and share, tag them into this. I'm trying to spread this across the community. But that's it for today. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for listening and watching, guys. I hope there were some real gems that you get inspired by and take action with. Within the description, I tried to mention everything that's been spoken about, but on a daily basis, I put out content to inspire and help others. To see more, please like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Spotify and Apple Podcast. Search by the name Mark Sclair. Thank you very much again, and I hope you enjoy the journey.